What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Cubevit iPhone 11 Pro Max shockproof clear case with built-in screen protector I picked up on Amazon for $12.99. It was really awesome. I got it here in one day. Also, as we all know, clear cases for the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro line are trending right now. So I was really looking for a clear, rugged, shockproof case for a really good price, and I think I may have found it. This Cubevit iPhone 11 Pro Max shockproof case with built-in screen protector. I actually reviewed a clear case the other day, a clear rugged case the other day from Spider Case. It had a built-in screen protector. It was gray and black and clear on the back. Not ideal because it wasn't entirely clear, but this one on the other hand is super unique because it's all clear. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and the first impressions of it and see how it looks on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the case here. We're going to go ahead and just cut this top off here with the scissors. To make it as easy as possible, so here she is. As we can see, we get the case in the box. So far, this feels really premium. Let's go ahead and rip off some of these stickers here. And we'll just go ahead and sort of rip the case apart, maybe. You know what's funny? When I try to be really nice with products, they're super easy to rip apart. And then when I try to rip them apart, they're impossible to rip apart. Okay, so let's take a look at what else comes in the box here. We get directions on how to install the case in this little plastic baggie, which I like. And we get a service card, free text and phone call support. Apparently these Cubevit is a case company located in Great Britain, and they also have a service card for if you live in the United States. So that's actually really nice of them. I should probably call them and ask them how to. So it just comes right apart like so. Anyway, guys, that has been an unboxing and a first impressions of the Cubevit's iPhone 11 Pro Max clear rugged case with built-in screen protector for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I picked up on Amazon for $12.99. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.